Hello everyone! In this training session, we will understand the new Joinee documents feature in the Onfinity system. First, let's understand what new Joinee documents are. These are a collection of documents that you are required to submit or review upon joining an organization. Common examples include the offer letter, employment contract, company policies, and employee handbooks. In a typical scenario, when new employees are onboarded, they are assigned documents relevant to company policies, guidelines, and their employment terms. It is the administrator's responsibility to configure these documents in the system. This allows them to be assigned to employees automatically during the onboarding process. Now, let's walk through the steps to configure new Joinee documents within the system. The administrator should log in to the Onfinity system. From there, navigate to the menu and then open the HR Management folder. Within the HR Management folder, go to General Setup. Select the new Joinee document screen. On this screen, click Create New to add a new record. Enter the relevant details for the document. These include the document name, type, and description. Once all the details are filled in, save the record. After saving, you can attach the document file to complete the setup. Now let's review the steps to execute this. The administrator logs into the Onfinity system. From the menu, navigate to HR Management, then General Setup. Open the new Joinee document screen. Click on Create New to add a new record. Enter the required document details and then click Save. Once the record is saved, proceed to attach the necessary document files. This completes the process of adding new Joinee documents in the system. Let's go through the steps to create new Joinee documents in the Onfinity system. To begin, you must access the login screen. The administrator enters their unique ID and password. Then click Login. Upon successful login, the administrator will land on the homepage, which displays several widgets. These widgets reflect data from various transactions. To navigate to the configuration screen, go to the menu. From there, navigate to the HR Management folder. Select General Setup, and then click on New Joinee document. In this section, you'll define the documents to be assigned to employees when they join. For organization scope, if the same documents should be applied across all organizations, set the organization field to a star. If different documents are needed for each organization, select the specific organization name. Now for document type. You must choose between dynamic or static document types. Dynamic documents are system-generated and personalized, for example, joining letters. You will select from the available letter templates in the Joinee letter dropdown. An example of this is the offer letter. The next step is document details. You need to enter the document name and then add a relevant description in the description field. Once all the required fields are filled, click Save to create the record. After saving, proceed to attach the corresponding document file. To attach the document, click on Attach Document. You will browse and select the appropriate file from your system. Then click Open to upload the document. Once the upload is complete, close the attachment window. This completes the process of creating and attaching new Joinee documents in the system. Now, let's create a new Joinee document using the static document type. To do so, first, you must create a new record. Click on Create New. In the Organization field, select the relevant organization name and set the document type to static. For static documents, the Joinee letter field is read-only and will not be filled in. Now, enter the document details. Add the document name. Provide a brief description of the document. Once all the required fields are completed, click Save. After saving, you must attach the document. Click on Attach Document. Select the desired file from your system and click Open. Once the upload is complete, close the attachment window. To verify the attachment, return to the Attached Document section. The uploaded file should be listed here. If you need to attach additional documents, click the pin icon again, select the next file, and repeat the process. If no further attachments are needed, simply close the window. This concludes our session on managing new Joinee documents in the Onfinity system. We have covered both dynamic and static document types. Thank you for attending.